Today I'm going to show you how to use the MyLane registration system to search for and add a class. In your MyLane account, go to the My Enrollment tab or the My Enrollment in the main menu. Click Registration, Class Schedule, and Books. And in the next screen, click Registration and Schedule Changes. One more time, click Register for Classes. This will open a new window, and you may or may not be asked to log into the Lane CAS systems. We're going to register in summer term and click Continue. This brings up the basic search screen. You are now ready to look for classes to add. As soon as you click into the subject box, before you begin to type, a list of all course subject headings appears in alphabetical order. We will look for a communications class. As we begin to type, the search narrows to headings that contain those letters. In this case, with just a few letters, the heading Communication appears at the top. Clicking on that heading adds it to the search criteria. To see all communications classes, just scroll down and click Search. The search now shows all courses with the subject heading Communications. In the first column, you see the title of each course. If you click on the title, the catalog description and most other information about the course appears. In the second column, you see the subject heading. In the third, you see the number of the course, Communications 100Z, 111Z, 218Z, and so on. This column, the CRN, shows the 5-digit course number for each individual section of the courses. If you mouse over the little weekly calendar, you will find the start and end dates of each class, as well as more detail about the meeting times. Notice that some of the courses have no days and times listed. This indicates these courses are offered in a standard asynchronous online format with no required times, while courses that do have a time listed will have the room number and the building, or they will be remotely through an online app like Zoom. Finally, you can see how many spots are in each class and how many are still available. We're going to register for this section of Communications 111 that meets from 9 a.m. to 11:20 a.m. on Mondays and Wednesdays. There are 27 seats total and 21 spots available. Now we are going to click Add. You can see that down below, the screen opens up a little bit, and on the left, in gray hash marks, the schedule shows when the class actually meets. Over on the right, the class is listed as pending, and the action, Web Registered, states what will have happened when you click Submit. Now we're going to click Submit. And in the upper right-hand corner, the system gives a message, Save Successful. Down below, the course has gone to a solid color in the class schedule, and on the summary it says that it is registered. We have now successfully added this class to the schedule. Let's go search for another one.